welcome back to my channel, people. Brown Boss JA Tours. Yes, so we're at it again, people, here in Montego Bay on a Sunday evening. We will start from the Harbour Street Craft Market section, which is towards the right, and we'll be passing the Bay West area towards the left right now. And as you can see, it's still busy here in Montego Bay. Even on a Sunday, you'll have persons going to and from, from work or wherever. But yes, it is always busy here in Montego Bay. Alright, so we're just going across right now to head on over, trying to go through Strand Street to get to St. James Street. We're going to a supermarket. Yes, people, so this area is a bit packed right now. Usually you'll have taxis going to Freeport lined off here, and if you go straight, that is actually Parade, Sam Sharp Square, where is like the heart of Montego Bay. So yes, people, we're just going across right now, trying to make our way through Strand Street. But upon going or approaching Strand Street, I realized that it's blocked off. I forgot that they're gonna do a sewer pipeline replacement. This will take effect, or would have taken effect, between October 28th to the 30th, and it will affect a lot of streets being closed off. Alright, so we've just passed Sunshine Plaza. So if you look straight ahead, you'll see that, between Harbour Street and Strand Street is actually blocked off. The men are at work, having the sewer pipeline replacement done. So yes, people, it actually caused the pileup of traffic right now, because usually this part is not really that congested. Persons will have to reroute to other streets, just trying to get by here in Montego Bay. Alright, so usually I'll go straight and just take the second left turn, and we will head on over to St. James Street. Alright, but now I'm going to have to go left, so I can still go to St. James Street, which can take it to Church Street as well, but we'll stay on St. James Street. Alright, so stick with me, people, while we, make our way over. Alright, so coming downtown here on a Sunday, I didn't expect this traffic, but, nonetheless, we'll just drive on so we can get to our destination. Yes, people, so the streets, can be really dirty. Yeah, Montego Bay needs a proper cleaning. Yeah, it definitely needs a proper cleaning. Alright, people, so just making our way over to going through the traffic right now, so stick with me while we do so. Alright, so yes, we're approaching the busy St. James Street. So even on a Sunday, it will definitely be busy. Most of the business places are closed, but you'll find some supermarkets being open and, overcrowded, because persons still shop on a Sunday. And on both sides of the street, you'll find vendors, out with their goods, selling from clothes items, grown provisions, yeah, you name it. Yeah, that street there towards the right is also closed off, which will take you to Strand Street. But yes, people, look at it. Persons lying off on the roadside, and cars parked there as well. If it was like within the week, they would have been removed by the record, because it should not be parked there. Alright, so we're just gonna make our way on straight, down St. James Street. so we can, go in front of courts. There is a supermarket there, a Chinese supermarket. I'm going to just have a little shopping done there today here on a Sunday. So yes, people, over towards the right is Parade that was burnt down recently, and heard on the news that they will actually get back a new market, before the year is over. So it'll be like a Christmas gift, because persons would have lost their items, all of their items in that fire. And you can check out that video that I have on my channel, people, for what took place recently. Alright, so just going to make a quick stop, and then we're back on the road. Yes, people, so currently we are in front of courts, and this building has been here for like ages. You can find old videos of courts, being there on Barnett Street. So yes, people, we're just driving now. We just passed Trinity Mall, and we're approaching the fire station that was built recently. Alright, so thank you for stopping by, people. Another one here by Brown Boss J.A. Tours. Like, share, subscribe. Brown Boss J.A. Tours signing out. Peace.